This tutorial provides a step-by-step guide on linking your TradingView account to ChartsConnect, enabling you access to Strategy Genesis, a visual strategy builder integrated into TradingView. It empowers you to merge various market data points and convert them into automated trading signals. No coding is required. From the ChartsConnect dashboard, click Downloads to access the drop-down menu. Click Access Manager. Type in your TradingView username here. This step is important to get access to Strategy Genesis, our proprietary tool to customize trade strategies. Click Validate. Now go to your TradingView to add Strategy Genesis to your charts. Click Indicators. Select Invite Only. You should be able to see Strategy Genesis here. If you have trouble finding it, check that you have entered the correct TradingView username in the Access Manager. Depending on your subscription plan, you will see different versions of it. That's it. Now you are ready to customize your strategy in TradingView using Strategy Genesis. You can find other guides to help you along your ChartsConnect journey.